Okay, next part then. So this time, it's kind of the same topic, only it's worded slightly differently. So this time we're asked to find the values for x, but we're told that the gradient is 5. So this gradient, remember, is dy by dx. So we are told that this is basically saying here that we want to find x when dy dx equals 5. That's what that's saying. So let's start by finding what dy dx is for this graph. So dy dx, we differentiate this, x cubed becomes 3x squared, minus 7x becomes minus 7, and the plus 1 becomes 0. So if we know that this gradient is equal to 5, we can set up an equation. So what we're really solving is we're finding where that value, 3x squared minus 7 equals 5. In other words, we're solving the equation 3x squared equals 12, or x squared equals 4. So your final answer must be x equals 2, or x equals minus 2. And those are the 2 points on the graph where the gradient is 5. Okay, let's have a quick look at increasing and decreasing functions then. So in this graph, we have certain sections. In this section here, we say that this graph is increasing. So it's getting bigger. As x increases, y increases. So that's an increasing function. And what we say is that for this increasing function, if it's increasing, we can see that the gradient at all those points is bigger, is positive, isn't it? So it's bigger than 0. This point on this side here, the graph is decreasing. So for this point, when a graph is decreasing, we can say that the gradient is less than 0. And for this point, the graph is increasing again. So an increasing point of the graph again, the gradient is bigger than 0. So what we're really looking at is where is the graph increasing and where is it decreasing. This part here, that's an increase, and that's an increase. So these green parts I've just sort of scribbled over, they're increasing, or parts of the graph where the function is increasing, and let's do it in a slightly different colour. This bit here, the pinkish bit, that bit is where the graph is decreasing. So on any graph, if it's going up, or the gradient's bigger than 0, it's increasing. If it's going down, the gradient will be less than 0, it's decreasing. And this bit up, again, it's an increasing function. Okay, from that, what I'd like you to do is, just from the same exercise we were working on, in your books, on page 367, could you continue in the exercise we've just done, question 3, could you continue on and have a look at questions 6, 7 and 8, please. So have a go at question 6, 7, 8's a difficult one, it's one of the blue exam questions, but have a go at those 3 and have a look at marking them yourselves.